Pierce, the owner of founder of Pierce Bits Company, and the inventor of Pierce Bits Installer Cable Drill Bit. I have had opportunity to invent a brand new state-of-the-art drill bit that will able to save our technicians or handyman or electricians time and effort, and save the company money. This drill bit, the drill bit that I'm holding now, it's 1/2 inch by 18 ship auger with external threads. You can see the external thread with a hollow tip. And the purpose for designing this drill bit is to, in order to save our technicians and installers time on per install. And here we have the external threads here, which is a male thread with a hollow tip. I have in my right hand is a RG6 coaxial cable, which you can take the RG6 coaxial cable, screw the connector onto the external threads, and you can feed the drill bit through a wall or a ceiling or a floor, any surface. And all our drill bits are made out of high-speed steel. Some of them are made out of alloy steel. And this is one our product, which is the ship auger 1/2 inch by 18, which we have been selling a lot of them to DirecTV, and they've been buying them. One thing I noticed that DirecTV, they purchase a lot of the ship augers 1/2 inch by 18, and also the masonry. We have this one here 1/2 inch by 18 with the external threads, which you can screw the RG6 coaxial cable on to the end of the shank of the thread, and you can feed it through the wall or ceiling. And our drill bits are custom made, you know, for every size that you might need for whatever job. Just give us a call. We'll custom make them for you. And then we have these in this here, the bell hanger, which has the threads, and this is a 2-footer, 1/2 inch by 24s. And we got the dish TV technicians been buying them. And then we have also the 1/2 inch, 3/4 by 18 masonry bit with the 3 flats. So these are very unique drill bits, and we have been getting. I have been getting a lot of feedback concerning our product. Every technician that use them and electricians, they contact me or they leave a feedback on my email, in my inbox, or word of mouth, and they said that these are fantastic. They wish this would have been out way back, you know. And now I believe this is the right time for this brand new technology to come on the scene. And there's a saying that there's a new sheriff in town, and the Pierce Bits is the new sheriff in town. And the technicians are saying, these Pierce Bits, installed drill bits are saving me. I'm saving 30 to 45 minutes per install. Isn't that wonderful? 30 to 45 minutes per install. Just imagine if they have 5 installs a day. And once they complete their job, they can go home 2-3 hours or 4 hours before time, and they can still get paid for the amount of work they have done. And that allows, you know, instead of them going over the time, which would be on overtime, and you know, the companies don't like to pay overtime because they want to save money. And you ever heard, I get a lot of them saying it's mandatory overtime, but when this Pierce Bits is on the scene, come on the scene, they won't have that problem. The technicians go in, they do the job. Once they finish their job, they go home early, spend that time with their family. They can go to the golf course with their buddies, or get on their fishing boats, or ride a motorcycle, or attend to their hobby. Some of them have hobbies designing, refurbishing cars and hot rods and all of that stuff. So this is one of the purpose. These are the purpose that I have designed this drill bit. Our drill bits are patent. We have a patent on them, and I'm getting a lot of calls from all over. They've been buying them. They want to hear. They heard about the Pierce Bits installer drill bits, and I told them, you know, that it's true. So we offer this great product here, and I love this product. This is a great product because this is a 21st century drill bit, and everybody ought to buy a Pierce Bits. Every technician, every handyman, every consumer, every electrician, every contractor ought to have a Pierce Bit in their toolbox, because whatever you don't know what you're going to come up against when you go to a job. The job could be required for you to run coaxial cables or wires, and that's where the Pierce Bits come in at. Not only that, our drill bits, we have several patents. We have design patent, and we have a utility patent. We have another utility patent on the way. So get a hold of this drill bit. Buy it and try it. I guarantee you'll love it. You'll like it, and you will want to put it down. And right now I'm holding a drill. I have a drill in my hand. I have the ship auger, which I'm inserted into the chuck, which is the drill, and I'm tightening up the chuck. And wow, that is so awesome there. My goodness. So I'm unattaching the drill, Pierce Bits from the chuck. The threads are intact. A lot of people are questioning the Pierce Bits because they never seen anything like it. They wonder if that Pierce Bit, if it spin off, would it damage the threads? I got news for you. It will not damage the thread. Let me say it again. It will not damage the threads. We guarantee our Pierce Bits 100%. All the sales that we have gotten in this Pierce Bits, every individual that uses bits, they're pleased with it. So because our drill bits comes, we had designed the threads are 3/8, and also, you know, I drill the chuck, the shank 1/2 inch, 7/16, or 3/4, or whatever size that you desire to have. We can custom. Pierce Company, our company can custom this new innovative drill bit the way you want it to be custom for your purpose in order to get the job done. Now, if you are interested in purchasing our drill bits, they all, like I said, high-speed steel, some are alloy steel, and you can go to our website at www.piercebits.com, and you can browse through our product line. If you see one of these drill bits that might interest you, feel free to give us a call, or you can place your order right there online, and your credit information is safe, and you don't have to worry about that. So we have been getting a lot of calls from all over. People buying them. They call and they say, "We heard about this Pierce Bits. What's up with this Pierce Bits?" And we just tell them it's true. So we've been shipping them out all over. And if I were you, I'd buy a Pierce Bits. If I were you, I'd buy a Pierce Bits. And once you buy this Pierce Bit, you wouldn't want to go nowhere else to do a job without this. You would go to bed thinking, and you say, I get up and think, hey, look, I wanted my Pierce Bits in my toolbox. You would check before you walk out that door. You would not forget. You won't forget this Pierce Bits, because you will make sure it's in your toolbox, because this baby here can save you a lot of time, effort, time, and money. So once again, I want to thank you for tuning in to Pierce Bits Company, and I would like for you to have a wonderful day, and we'll be talking to you at another time. Thank you.